start playing, and then that way we can just go through. So I don't know how many of you follow us or even know us, but we're HERJAZA. We're from Staten Island, New York. We've been a band for quite some time. This year, July 1st, I got a phone call from this guy. And he said, I have ALS. I'm not sure how many of you guys are familiar with it, but it's Lou Gehrig's disease. It's a terminal disease. So, nobody's got a more sob story than us. Anyway, so I just want you to know that this whole thing came together, and everybody, all the bands, Dayami, everybody has been absolutely amazing in being completely understanding of what we're going through. This is the first show we've played where it hasn't been about ALS. So we want you guys to treat us exactly the way you would treat everyone else. If we suck, we suck. If we're awesome,
that's totally fine.
Fucking give us hugs. The only thing I will say is we do have a shirt for sale. The shirt is a HERJAZA shirt. It's got Lou Gehrig because when Sean was actually officially diagnosed, it was on the anniversary of Lou Gehrig's speech to Yankee Stadium. Couldn't have planned it any fucking other way. Not only did he get ALS, but he got the rarest form of ALS.
One of 18.
Big dick. Only 18 people in the world. So, time is precious. We really count every minute that we have together as something that's super special. So thank you for being a part of this tonight with us. If you can, if you want to pick up the shirt, it's $20. All the money is going to him. Everything we do as a band is going to him, so that for the remainder of his days, he can do whatever the fuck he wants. So anyway, we're HERJAZA.
mic now.
Yeah, he's got it.
Yeah, motherfucker.
The man is over.
Usually Frank's the one who does all the talking. I don't like saying shit. I usually say stuff that gets us in trouble. So I'm gonna refrain.
Do it.
Nah, it's way easier when it's behind the drum set. So we got this guy now. Everybody give it up for Alex. Alex, come here for now. You made it sound way better. So I know we will have our separate lives outside of the music scene. Everybody has a job. Everybody does different things. So besides the hardcore community, I pretty much spent my entire adult life coaching, doing physical fitness, things like that. And I actually have two of my clients here right now. It's their first hardcore show. Hi, girls. And their mom. They brought them. So I just wanted to say thank you very much for coming out. Hope you're not too scared. Sorry about that.
Check.
Not used to that kind of bathroom, are you? All right, I'm done. You go, Frank?
Hey, if you know it,
fucking doing this, huh?
Down to strength, and he still sounds good.
So this is the first song we wrote with Sean not playing drums anymore.
It's depressing.
We have some grim humor. As you can see, this kid went from running triathlons to being fucking crip.
Like the rest of you fucking lazy dicks.
So we tend to name every set list, and tonight is called Gimpin' Ain't Easy. Anyway, this song is called People on the Stairs. It's the first song we wrote with this new lineup. And after this, what we plan to do is we're gonna write a fucking record, and Sean's gonna fucking kill it, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna play some shows. We're still not gonna know any of our songs, but at least we'll be able to say they're all new songs. Anyway, this song is called People on the Stairs. And it's fucking loud. Let's give it up for the fucking manipulator, right? That was fucking awesome. First fucking show. Quite the production. But also, Andrew from Manipulator was the one who made the flyer, made the video, edited it, you guys saw online. That was all Andrew from Manipulator. Couldn't ask for a nicer person. I did a complete stranger. Welcome to fucking bullshit with me, making fun of me. It was a good time. So Andrew, fucking awesome. Congratulations on your first show. The almighty fucking KIRKBY kiss. Yeah! Dudes have become family. First fucking band not connected to our immediate friend group, when Sean got sick, said, what can we do to help? Nobody else. First fucking band. Fucking family. USURP Synapse. Been friends with Antonio for 30 fucking years. He's the reason why we are here tonight. Thank you, Antonio. Thank you, USURP Synapse. Thank you, Cloud Rap, for letting me be a part of this. So fucking psyched to see you guys. This has been a show that you mark on the fucking calendar, and you're just fucking happy to play, and you're psyched to fucking see. Thank you for all of you. Thank you for sharing.
Shit.